At the major arm wrestling championship super match event, Auden Larrett lost 3-0 to Artem Ternenko. He gave Artem a good fight in the third round, but that wasn't enough to change the score. So what's next for Auden now? First of all, Auden's biggest weapon has been and quite possibly will be for the foreseeable future his ability to disengage his opponent's power, and he can do that because of his insanely strong hand. But one problem with that style is when you meet someone like Artem who doesn't care too much about his hand, Auden has to resort to an ugly king's move, and sometimes even that is not enough, as we just saw yesterday. I think the third round against James English, where Auden got hooked and got beaten like a beginner, should have been enough to let him know that he needs to work on his arm power a lot. So maybe now he needs to adapt the same European training style that he was mocking just a couple of weeks ago. I would advise Auden to sit on the bench and do a lot of partial barbell curls and standing hammer curls, and stop focusing only on arm wrestling specific micro movements until his arm power catches up to his hand. Maybe not exactly at that level, but he needs to level up for sure. And then Auden should keep on picking stylistically easier opponents. I wouldn't say lighter opponents, but stylistically easy matches. But still, I will stop complaining about weight differences in Auden Larrett's super matches, because how did we not consider this? Auden is still 20 years old. So if he was competing in WAF, he would be in the under 23 category. That category is kind of BS, but even until 2020, it used to be under 21 category. So Auden is still not a senior. So if there is a small weight gap, maybe even a large weight gap, it is kind of okay because the opponents are arm wrestling against a young arm wrestler. And in a way, this loss was good for Auden, because now all of us, especially me, I have lost the privileges of complaining that Auden only takes easy matches. He lost this match 3-0, so it wasn't an easy match by any way. Last year, I sent to Devon Larrett a list of potential opponents for Auden Larrett, and he seemed to like that list a lot. And in that list, the first name was Artem Ternenko, then Coach Ray, then maybe Brian Shaw or Eddie Hall. Abhas Rana was obviously there, and then finally, the final boss, Ryan Bowen. I would love to hear what Pro Punja League and Abhas Rana have to say about this performance from Auden Larrett. Do they now believe that Abhas is ready for Auden, or they still want to wait for some more time? And speaking about waiting for some more time, I know that it's clear now that Artem Ternenko is a level above Auden Larrett, but still I would like to see a super match between Abhas Rana and Artem Ternenko in India by the end of this year. Abhas is only 17, he weighs over 100 kilos and he's improving very fast, and stylistically it's a much better match for him. So if the match goes in a hook, Abhas has way more arm power than Auden Larrett, but it's definitely a possibility that Artem can top roll Abhas just like he did against Auden in the second round, so a Todd Hutchings style top roll. But I do believe this is a match that makes complete sense. Maybe not right now, but after a few months, or maybe after 1 year. And then Artem should run it back against Coach Ray in a super match at 85 or 90 kilos. That would be awesome to see. Thanks for watching, like the video, and I'll see you again.